In a large pot of boiling water, season with salt. Add the crab and cook for 20 minutes, turning it halfway through. Once cooked, remove the crab and let it cool. Reserve the cooking water, open the crab and remove the inside filling into a bowl. Remove the legs, crack them open, and shred the meat. Break the body into pieces and shred the remaining meat. Strain 1 liter, 4 cups, of the crab cooking water through a fine sieve. In a saucepan, melt the butter and add the onion. Cook gently until soft, without letting it brown. Add the flour and stir well. Gradually add the strained crab stock, stirring constantly. Add the tomato pulp and the crab filling. Bring to a boil and cook for 2 minutes. Blend everything until smooth. Add the brandy and cook for another 2 minutes. Add the cream and stir well. Heat gently without boiling. Finish with the chopped coriander and mix well. Serve the soup with the shredded crab meat on top. You'll need 1 crab with about 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds, 70 grams or 2.5 ounces of butter, 1 onion finely chopped, 80 grams or 2.8 ounces of all-purpose flour, 2 level tablespoons tomato pulp, 80 milliliters or 1/3 of a cup of brandy, 200 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup of cream, 1 small bunch fresh coriander, chopped, salt to taste, creamy crab soup. This soup may be a bit indulgent, but it's absolutely delicious and perfect for special occasions like Christmas, New Year's Eve, or birthday celebrations.